Hello and welcome to a Hounslow Libraries how-to video. Today we're going to be giving you a whistle-stop tour of registering for Hounslow Libraries. If you'd like a more in-depth step-by-step guide to this process, check out our YouTube channel where you can find that video and many more. But today we're just going to be showing you a quick version to get you started. Our library website is libraries.hounslow.gov.uk. You can type this in directly, you can Google us, or you can also find us on the Libraries page of the Hounslow Council website. If you're already a library member and registered through one of our branches, you will be able to use those library card details to log in to our library website. However, if you've not been a member of Hounslow Libraries before and you want to join the library, this video is going to show you the basics for self-registering using the Join the Library option. So when you first click on the Join the Library option, you will be asked to choose your authority and your branch library. The authority is asked for because Hounslow is part of the Libraries Consortium, which is a joining of many boroughs in order to give you the best possible user experience and access to as many resources as possible. It will auto-populate with Hounslow, so you don't really need to worry about that too much, but you will need to choose your local branch. Once you've done that, click continue and it will bring you to a pretty standard self-registration screen. It will ask you for all the sort of details you would expect, including your name, date of birth, etc. And also it will ask you to choose a password. On this screen, everything that's got a little red star next to it is compulsory, so please do fill those forms in. And we're going to do that now, but fast forward through it for you guys so that you don't have to watch it all, unless you want to check out, as I say, our other video. Please do remember when you've filled all these forms out to read the terms and conditions and select that you've accepted it, at which point you can select the Create Account box. You're then brought to a screen like this, which will tell you your library card number, or your temporary library card number, and it will confirm your PIN that you will have chosen on the previous screen. You can now use some of our online services, so you can get going straight away. Best bet is to click here to return to the catalogue. You will also need to, at some point, go into the library with that temporary card number and some ID, at which point a staff member will be able to convert that into a full membership and give you an actual physical library card that you can use in our branches as well as online. Do check out our website, have a look at our social media platforms, and if you want any other assistance, have a look at our YouTube channel where we will be producing more of these how-to videos to give you a bit of a guide through our online catalogue. Thank you for watching, we hope it's helped.